Crap, can't go anywhere now.
Yeah, he unloaded off that trailer like he'd been doing that his entire life. And Gina had him all braided up and a slinky on him, and he looked like $1 million, and they're like, who is this horse? But yeah, they all had big old long lists of ribbons and stuff, but I didn't let them intimidate me.
Go up a little bit.
Pull him up a bit. Come here, buddy. Oh, that far enough?
Yeah, a little bit more. That's good. That's good.
Okay. So would that have made this part of his back sore?